Hi guys, it is a beautiful summer day. I'm currently on my way out to just run some quick errands. So come along with me and then I'm just gonna go to the farmer's market. Let's get going. I'm downtown and right here it says no parking, but there's like other people parked here as well and like over there. So you know what, I'm gonna risk it. Okay, well it says noon until midnight and it's only 10 a.m. so I have time, I guess. Chilling here, letting time pass by. A lot more people here than I anticipated. Now I'm gonna walk over to the farmer's market to see if I can get anything, mostly produce. I want some fresh produce. I thought I escaped the construction that was near my house. No, there's more construction here. It's like everywhere I go there's construction and there's nothing I can do about it. Where to next? I'm like trying to figure out where I'm going next. Oh, I'm gonna go to a bookstore. I'm always finding myself in the midst of Gossip Girl madness, whether people are talking about it or it comes up on my feed. Maybe it's me, my Gossip Girl. For as long as I can remember, these walls have just been blank. There's nothing on them, just blank, empty. You see these magazines? Hello, Lily. We are just gonna go through all of these, see what I like. We're gonna cut them out. Basically do a little DIY wallpaper, wall art, whatever you wanna call it. And then I think I'm just gonna tape them up on my wall. And I think this is gonna be like the main wall that I want to do, and then whatever's left can go over there, and then like in this area and this area as well. So let's see how this goes.